Well, let's turn attention to some registration issues. And the voter registration exercise in the Krowor Constituency was suspended for about 30 minutes and Covid-19 health protocols as well disregarded after a scuffle broke out between some applicants who had come to register at one of the registration centers. It is still unclear what caused the fight, but some persons involved in the open brawl allege the busing of non-resident to the registration center. Well, Maxwell Akbaba has more in this report.
Voter registration here in the Krowor constituency has been largely smooth, with residents going about registering without any technical hitches. A lot of them also we found heeding to the Covid-19 protocol. Sometimes, though, the social distancing becomes, a challenge. But at one of the registration centers, we witnessed what can best be described as a free-for-all fight between some of the applicants who had come there to register. Well, the mystery of this whole fight is that we do not know the genesis of the fight. Even the police officers who are there to maintain law and order do not know the cause of that disagreement, which resulted in a free-for-all fight, a serious scuffle that had to take police intervention to separate. We've been speaking to the commander, Nungwa commander. He's been explaining to us, trying to help us get a sense of the disagreements that we saw.
I will not say I have any idea. All we heard was that there was a scuffle here. And that's why we came here to maintain peace. And that's what we've done. Yes, my officers on the ground, they were basically ensuring that the process goes on successfully. And so what happened outside, they will not be able to tell us what happened outside. Okay. If it happened on the registration tables, of course, they were there to see anything. But this happened outside, so they have no idea what actually happened outside. But as the MCE said, it was a scuffle between...
Yeah, but we saw the fight. We saw people throwing punches and all of that.
Okay, we didn't see that.
To the extent that some of your men had to leave the scene. Because it looked quite dangerous.
I came with my men, so there was nothing like our men left the scene. I came with them. We didn't see the free-for-all fight, but what we know for sure is that there were skirmishes here. But the good news is that order has been restored, and the process is ongoing.
Yeah, but we want to know what caused, the fight.
That's why I was telling you that give us time, because you can't stand in the middle of the problem and be assigning reasons. Okay, when calm is restored, we will find out. We will investigate to find out what is the cause, what caused the skirmishes. Okay, there are enough policemen here. I am here myself. We will make sure that order is followed to the letter.
Well, the MCE for the area says that the people who engaged in that scuffle, in that fight, are actually brothers. And once in a while, there's disagreements, and that's how best they resolve it.
No, what they are doing is that they allow people to come in when there are spaces on the chairs. That is what the police does. But I think when we were coming in, some people forced their way into the system, and that is what caused all the skirmishes. But ideally, for the past 2-3 days, it's been very, very cool, very, very sober. But when we were coming in, I think some people forced their way in. What the police does is that when the chairs are empty, then they allow 5, or because of social distancing, they allow 5 or 6 people to come in. So that is what really happened. Already had 2 police officers here, but the crowd was much bigger than the 2 police officers. That is why the commander himself came, and then he came with some people too. So I think for now, calm is maintained and everything is in order. The EC has started work and everything.
But what do you make of the lawlessness, that went on, the free-for-all fights, right here?
No, I wouldn't
right in front of the police.
There were skirmishes. There were no free-for-all fights.
We saw the fights right in front of the police.
I didn't see that. There were skirmishes, These are people, that is what, they are brothers and sisters. So once in a while, they just try to push each other. And you see they are calm. So that is how we deal with them, and we are always with
Your
them.
brothers and sisters?
They are brothers and sisters. They are brothers and sisters. You see, they are just talking outside. They are just jubilating.
But they were fighting, or they were fighting as brothers.
I would call it skirmishes.
So they were fighting as brothers?
Each other, they were not fighting.
Okay.